Hi, Mama. Well done. I know now you are concerned on this next journey with your little one, and that is why I'm having a whole 6 video series on how to win and the baby food you can give to your child from the comfort of your home that will be healthy and make your baby gain healthy weight. Food that does not have chemical processing and everything in between. So we're going to start this one recipe at a time, and we have this first ingredient recipe. With the understanding of the resources you read first, when you're trying to introduce milk to your babies, start with one ingredient first. That way we can get to see if they are reacting to it or not. So offer that same ingredient 3 to 5 times to them until they get used to that flavor, and then you can now start adding more things to that particular flavor they have used to. And I also used to advise that you give what you eat sometimes, because they know the taste of that from the breast milk that they suckled from. So if you do not eat apples normally, apple may not be your first food to introduce to babies, though you would introduce it later on, but not at the foundation level. So we're making apple puree baby food, which is just one ingredient. So remove the peel of the apple for easy cooking and blending and processing for the baby. Remove the core, rinse it very well, and then transfer to a clean pot. Then we're going to add in a little bit of water to steam this up. And if the first time don't add anything, the next time you are cooking this for the baby, add a pinch of cinnamon. It makes the apple taste much better. So afterwards, once the apple is softened, allow it to cool a bit, like but still warm, then you blend it up. At this stage you can add baby formula or baby milk when you're trying to blend this for baby. You cannot blend while it is hot, just so your blender does not explode. So you can add a bit of milk if you want more nutritional properties for baby, or you can just starter just the apple puree alone. So blend this smooth and to the consistency like this, or you could add a little bit of water to lighten it up. This way you can feed to them. Usually they will not take beyond 3 to 5 spoons, but it's still okay. It's a first step, and gradually the next time you're making this, you can add some carrots to eat, you can add some yogurt to eat. The next time you can add some nuts to eat. And see you in the next video.